This bike can go anywhere. 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally is unstoppable. What if one motorcycle could take you from city streets to the middle of nowhere without even breaking a sweat? Meet the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally, a machine built for riders who refuse to stay on the pavement. At first glance, it looks rugged, aggressive, and ready for adventure. But here's the shocking part. This isn't just another adventure bike. This is a purpose-built off-road weapon that just happens to be street legal. And in 2026, Yamaha has taken everything riders loved about the Ténéré and pushed it even further. Lighter, tougher, and more capable than ever before. This is the kind of bike that doesn't just handle rough terrain, it dominates it. So the question is this the ultimate adventure motorcycle? Or is it simply too extreme for everyday riders? Because once you see what this machine can actually do, there's no going back. Let's talk about what powers the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally, because this is where reliability meets performance. At its core is Yamaha's proven 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine, known for its durability, smooth power delivery, and strong mid-range torque. This isn't about chasing huge horsepower numbers. It's about having usable power wherever you need it. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, riding through sand, or cruising on the highway, the engine delivers consistent, predictable performance. And that's exactly what you want in an adventure bike. It's responsive without being aggressive, powerful without being overwhelming. This is an engine you can trust, no matter where you go. Now here's where the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally truly stands out. It's built for serious off-road riding. This isn't just a bike that can handle dirt roads. It's designed to tackle challenging terrain. With long travel suspension, increased ground clearance, and rally-inspired components, it's ready for anything. Rocks, sand, mud, it doesn't matter. This bike is built to handle it all. And that's what makes it so exciting. This isn't about comfort. It's about capability. It's about pushing limits and exploring places most bikes can't reach. And in that sense, it's unstoppable. The 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally features upgraded suspension that takes its performance to another level. The long travel forks and rear shock are designed to absorb impacts, maintain stability, and keep you in control even in the roughest conditions. This is a bike that doesn't just survive off-road, it thrives in it. And that confidence, it changes how you ride. You push harder, go further, and explore more. Because you know the bike can handle it. Let's be honest, the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally looks like it belongs in a desert race. The tall stance, aggressive bodywork, and rally-inspired design give it a serious presence. This isn't a bike that blends in, it stands out. Every detail feels purposeful, from the high-mounted front fender to the slim body that allows for better movement while riding off-road. This is design driven by function, and it shows. Here's something surprising. The 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally isn't just good off-road, it's also capable on the road. The engine is smooth, the riding position is comfortable, and the bike feels stable at highway speeds. It's not a touring machine, but it's more than capable of handling long rides. And that versatility, it's what makes it so appealing. You don't need two bikes, you just need this one. In a world full of high-tech motorcycles, the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally keeps things simple. You get essential electronics, ABS, basic traction control, but nothing that gets in the way of the riding experience. This is a bike designed for riders who want control, not complexity. And that simplicity? It's one of its biggest strengths. Because when you're out in the middle of nowhere, you don't want complicated systems. You want reliability. And that's exactly what this bike delivers. Now let's talk about comfort, because even a hardcore adventure bike needs to handle long rides. The 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally features an upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a seat designed for extended use. It's not luxury-level comfort, but it's practical and effective. This is a bike built for real journeys, and that means it needs to handle hours in the saddle. And it does. So who is the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally really for? It's for riders who want adventure, real adventure. Not just weekend rides, but journeys into the unknown. It's for people who want to explore, to push limits, and to experience riding in its purest form. This isn't a beginner bike, but it's not impossible to ride either. It's challenging, but rewarding, and that's what makes it special. So here's the final question. Is the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally the ultimate adventure motorcycle? It might be one of them. It's not the most comfortable, it's not the most advanced, but it might be one of the most capable. And in the world of adventure riding, that's what really matters. This is a bike that doesn't just take you places, it inspires you to go further.